In today's video, we're diving deep into some life-changing topics that could dramatically improve your health. We'll explore what detox really is and the shocking effects of smoking on the lungs. We'll also discuss why the detox process is so important and reveal some effective strategies to quit smoking. Plus, we'll break down various detox methods that you can incorporate into your life. Stay tuned until the end to get all the insights you need to take control of your health. Let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our updates. What is lung detox? A lung detox, also referred to as a lung cleanse, is a process aimed at clearing out accumulated tar, toxins and pollutants from the lungs which may result from environmental factors or smoking. The concept has gained popularity, especially among former smokers and individuals exposed to air pollution. The goals of a lung detox are to improve lung capacity, reduce the risk of respiratory infections, enhance overall breathing, and promote lung healing. The effects of smoking on the lung. Smoking has numerous detrimental effects on the lungs, contributing to a range of respiratory problems and diseases. Here are some of the most significant impacts of smoking on lung health. Reduced lung function. Smoking can cause the airways and air sacs in the lungs to lose their elasticity, leading to a decrease in lung function and breathlessness. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Smoking is the leading cause of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, a group of lung diseases that include chronic bronchitis and emphysema. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease causes obstructed airflow from the lungs, resulting in breathing difficulty, cough, mucus production, and wheezing. Lung cancer. Smoking is the primary cause of lung cancer, one of the most common and lethal types of cancer. Chemicals in tobacco smoke cause mutations in lung cells, leading to uncontrollable cell growth and tumor formation. Increased risk of infections. Smokers are more susceptible to infections like bronchitis and pneumonia because smoking damages the natural defenses of the lungs against bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Respiratory symptoms. Smokers often experience coughing, phlegm, wheezing, and shortness of breath due to the irritants and toxins in cigarette smoke, which inflame the lining of the lungs and airways. Pulmonary fibrosis. Smoking can lead to the development of scar tissue in the lungs, a condition known as pulmonary fibrosis, which severely impacts breathing efficiency. Decreased immune function. Smoking can impair the immune system, making it harder for the body to fight off diseases, leading to slower recovery from illnesses and a higher risk of respiratory infections. Effects on lung growth. In younger smokers or those exposed to second-hand smoke during childhood, smoking can affect lung development, leading to reduced lung function in adulthood. Quitting smoking can lead to significant improvements in lung health over time, although some effects may be irreversible, particularly in long-term smokers. The cessation of smoking is highly beneficial at any stage, with immediate effects such as improved circulation and lung function noticeable within a short period. The importance of detox process. The concept of detoxification, commonly referred to as a detox, involves removing toxins from the body and promoting overall health. It's a popular approach in alternative medicine, though it can have different meanings depending on the context. Here's why the detox process is considered important by many. 1. Removing toxins. The primary goal of detoxification is to eliminate toxins from the body. Toxins can come from various sources, including pollution, chemicals, artificial food ingredients, and excessive consumption of unhealthy food and drinks. Detox programs may involve specific diets, fasting, supplements, or procedures like saunas and colon cleanses to help the body's natural detoxification systems, like the liver, kidneys, and skin, function more efficiently. 2. Improving health and energy levels. Many people report feeling more energetic and alert during and after detox programs. By reducing the intake of harmful substances and increasing the consumption of nutritious foods, detoxification can potentially lead to better health and vitality. 3. Supporting organ health. Detox programs often focus on supporting organs that play a critical role in detoxification, such as the liver and kidneys. By reducing the load on these organs, it's believed that their function can improve, which is beneficial for overall health. 4. Promoting healthy lifestyle changes. Detoxification can also serve as a starting point for long-term lifestyle changes. For instance, someone might start a detox program and then continue with healthier eating habits, regular exercise, and avoidance of harmful substances. 5. Enhancing mental and emotional well-being. Some detox programs include practices aimed at mental and emotional health, such as meditation, yoga, and therapy. The focus on mental clarity and emotional balance can help individuals manage stress and improve their overall well-being. 6. Weight loss detox diets are sometimes used as a way to lose weight quickly. While this can be effective in the short term, it's important to approach weight loss with a sustainable and balanced diet plan. Detox methods encompass a wide range of practices aimed at purifying the body and boosting health. Key methods include dietary changes, elimination. Diets remove potential allergens or toxins like dairy, gluten, processed foods, and sugars. Juice cleanses. Drink only fruit and vegetable juices for several days to nourish and rest the digestive system. Raw food diets. Consume primarily raw fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds to enhance nutrient intake and reduce processed food consumption. Fasting. Intermittent fasting. Alternate between eating and fasting periods ranging from daily 16-hour fasts to full 24-hour fasts occasionally. Water fasting. Drink only water for a set period, usually a day or more under medical supervision. Herbal and nutritional supplements. Detox teas. Use teas with herbs like milk thistle and dandelion root to support detoxification organs. Fiber supplements. Employ fiber to improve digestion and waste elimination. Antioxidant supplements. Take antioxidants like vitamin C and E to help detox pathways. Physical activity. Exercise. Engage in regular exercise to increase circulation and eliminate toxins through sweat. Yoga. Perform specific poses that purportedly aid digestion and detoxification. Hydration. Increased water intake, essential for flushing toxins and supporting kidney function. Sauna therapy. Steam and infrared saunas promote sweating to help remove toxins. Monitor hydration and time spent in saunas. Mindfulness and stress reduction. Meditation and breathing exercises. These practices reduce stress and enhance the body's detox capabilities. Colon cleanses, enemas, and colonic irrigation. Flush out the colon but should be used cautiously to avoid disrupting intestinal balance. These detox methods are varied and can be tailored to individual needs and health conditions. Always consult with healthcare providers before starting any new detox regimen. Strategies to quit smoking. Quitting smoking is a challenging but deeply rewarding endeavor. To successfully stop smoking, one can follow several effective strategies. Set a quit date. Pick a date within the next 2 weeks to start your smoke-free journey, balancing preparation time with motivation. Inform others. Share your quit plan with friends, family, and co-workers to gain support and accountability. Plan for challenges. Anticipate situations that trigger the urge to smoke and devise strategies to handle them. Remove tobacco products. Eliminate all smoking-related items from your environments to lessen temptations. Consult a doctor. Seek professional advice for guidance and potential medications like nicotine replacement therapy, bupropion, or varenicline to aid your quitting process. Adopt new habits. Engage in healthier activities such as exercise, chewing gum, or practicing relaxation techniques to replace smoking habits. Seek support. Join support groups or undergo behavioral therapy to develop robust quitting strategies and receive emotional support. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge every success, from a day to a month smoke-free to stay motivated. Prepare for setbacks. Understand that relapses can happen. Use them as learning experiences to strengthen your commitment. By following these strategies, smokers can significantly reduce their risk of serious diseases, enhance their overall health, and improve their life expectancy. The journey is tough, but the benefits of quitting smoking begin almost immediately, and it's never too late to quit.